At Denave, we offer multi-channel marketing solutions that drive measurable impact at each stage of the sales cycle. With operations in 5 countries, we are delivering across India and APAC, Middle East Africa, Europe, and the ANZ region. With our focus on geo-expansion, offshore service delivery, diversity and inclusion initiatives, and the UDS Group now being a listed entity, we are positive that we can drive much larger impact for our esteemed clients across all markets. Denave provides an array of services that is focused on catalyzing the seller's journey and maximizing the ROI of our clients. Over the years, we have worked with a diverse set of clients, providing them customized service offerings. Our sales and ROI orientation is what helps us provide maximum output to each brand we get associated with, irrespective of the industry. We have a wide segment focus with service offerings that cater to enterprises, SMBs, retail, channel, as well as consumer business. When it comes to sales, there's hardly any industry that we have left untouched. Whether it is net new customer acquisition, cloud adoption, revenue maximization or retention, market expansion, partner enablement, or just anything more, Denave has mastered these impacts through proven sales methodologies.